Is your Samsung phone feeling slow? Clearing the app cache can often fix this quickly. In this video, I'll show you 2 advanced ways to clear the app cache on your phone. Let's get started. Method 1. Using app settings. Open the Settings app, then scroll down a little bit. Find out the apps. Now tap on it. Scroll down again. Now tap on the app you want to clear cache. Then scroll down once again. Next, tap on Storage. At the bottom right side, you will get a Clear Cache option. Now tap on it. Method 2. Using Home Screen app. Go back to the home screen. Find out the app you want to force stop. After that, press and hold on the app. Now tap on the eye icon. Scroll down a little bit. Then tap on Storage. Look at the bottom right side. You'll see the Clear Cache option. Then tap on it. Alright, that's all for today. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. Got any questions? Just leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.